If you're experiencing a server timeout issue with your Nintendo Switch, follow these simple steps to resolve it. This guide will help you unlock your device and get back to gaming. Step 1. Restart your Nintendo Switch. Begin by completely powering off your Nintendo Switch. Hold down the power button for about 3 seconds, select power options, and then choose turn off. Wait a few moments before turning it back on. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Go to System Settings, then Internet, and select Test Connection. If there are issues, try resetting your router or connecting to a different network. Step 3. Update your system. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest software. Go to System Settings, then System, and select System Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Step 4. Adjust DNS settings. Sometimes changing your DNS settings can help. Go to System Settings, then Internet, select your network, and choose Change Settings. Scroll down to DNS settings and set it to manual. Enter public DNS like Google S 8.8, 8.8 for primary, and 8.8, 4.4 for secondary. Step 5. Contact Nintendo support. If the issue persists, reach out to Nintendo support for further assistance. You can visit their website or call their customer service for help with server timeout issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the server timeout issue on your Nintendo Switch. Happy gaming!